Hi everybody, is Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu safe? I am Eduardo Capeluto, head instructor at Range Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu New York City, and I'm going to be answering your questions. So let's start with the one from today. Yes, it can be very safe, but it all depends on the culture of your school and what kind of importance they put on safety measures, not only from when you're learning techniques, but when you're sparring. It's very important. So as with any martial art, there's always physical contact, which can be prone to injuries, but there's a lot that can be done to prevent injuries. And if you go to a good school where safety is one of the main things that is thought about, there's a very high percentage you're going to have a great time training injury-free. So look for a reputable school that pays attention to safety. Follow for more.